Simply click on the plus, then you can begin recording. I have a new product called Voice2content. I want to create emails for it to invite people to a webinar. And then click stop. We give our project a name. We can also import a file if we'd rather. That can be an audio or video file, MP3, MP4, and such. I can create a manual transcription if I like, or I can translate it directly in English without having to choose. The next step, now it has my information. There is my text. I said I want to create some email marketing. I would like to generate an email for a prompt. What would it like me to do? I want to create a webinar invite in English. My tone is going to be friendly, and then generate. Now it's generating the email for me based on the information I gave it. Here's my email subject: join our exclusive webinar, dear first name, hope this finds you well, invitation, copy text, use it anywhere I want. It's just that simple to use Voice2content.